Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Bulls Club. My name is Soham. So guys, yesterday we saw just after a few minutes after we released the video, Bitcoin price dumped all the way down to about 25,170, levels. And in the video, we discussed that the level of 25,200 is extremely crucial. Why it was crucial? Because of a certain red line. If you haven't watched that video, here it is, just a few seconds. Take a quick look on it, and then while we'll come back on today's analysis as well. So let's quickly jump on to YouTube and let's see yesterday's analysis quickly. There could be another scenario that we today close the candle below this yellow line and tomorrow we get a pump above the yellow line as well. So that's very important. The yellow line is the line in the sand to watch right now. Apart from that, guys, the another important line to watch is the red line. The red line is at about 25,200, roughly 250, right? Now if we get a closure below this yellow line and we treat this yellow line as a resistance, guys, then my next price target is the 25,200. Why this line is now, guys, as you can see, right, so we discussed in yesterday's video that the level of 25,200 is going to be extremely important, and actually the Bitcoin price did hold that line as a support. It flushed straight to those levels, and it got a little bit of pump, and then again we are seeing a little bit of consolidation today. So what's next for the Bitcoin price? What is the next level to watch out for? Let's take a quick look on the charts. There are a few important levels that I want to highlight. Also, I mentioned this in today in our Telegram channel that there would be a few people who would be calling for you to short the market right now, but according to me, this is not a good time to short the market, guys. Why this is not a good time, I'll show that in the charts as well. So let's jump straight into the Bitcoin charts straight away, guys, and then we'll be able to analyze. Just a few seconds as trading view loads, and then we will be seeing the Bitcoin chart right away. So as we were speaking, guys, so yesterday we saw this dump right straight to this red line, right? It seems like Bitcoin was listening to us. What did we mention? And then it just dumped to this red line. So jokes apart, but still this line held as a support. We were expecting it to hold as a support, but another important line, or one good thing actually happened. Before coming to the lines, let me explain what is one good thing that happened yesterday. Was that we did not break below the low that we made on 14th of June. 14th of June, the low was 24,820, and then we saw this pump from 24,820 to about 31,000. What was the reason of this pump? This was the time when BlackRock announced that they are gonna file for a spot Bitcoin ETF, and that's why we saw this massive pump of about $7,000 or $8,000 straight from 24,820 to about 31,000, right? A little over 31,000. So that's extremely important. So this is the next level that I am keeping a close eye on. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to mark it on the chart. So guys, all the markings that I'm going to do on the video, so that you can also do it along with me as well. You can pause the video right here and you can mark it. So what we're going to do is we have marked the level of roughly 24,800, 24,700. For the ease of understanding, we are going to change the color. We are going to change the color to, let's say, green. Okay, so this is the green line that is important. If we are not breaking below, okay, Bitcoin is still doing a little okay. Yes, it has broken an uptrend, but it is not creating a lower low, right? If it creates a lower low, then it's a complete trend reversal, guys. Right now, apart from this particular line that we have over here, that is of about 24,800, another key level to watch out for is this particular low, guys, which happened back in March of 2023. What was this low? This low was actually about 19,550, right? This was the time. Why is this important? Because this was the time when many banks, Signature Bank and few other banks actually collapsed, right? So this is another important area, and yeah, let's mark it out as well, right? So let's mark this right from 19,550. Let's mark it over here, and let me just drag it for you to understand, right? So what we are gonna do is we are gonna make this as another blue line, right? So this is important. So these are the two levels that I am looking for. Yes, if you go a little towards the right hand of the chart, you will see that this line would actually converge with this green dotted line somewhere around October, mid of October, right? And as a technical analyst, what we are always looking for is confluence in the chart. So this will act as double support, not only the support from the low that we created in March of 2023, but also this green dotted line which we discussed yesterday is the lows that we got from the previous bear markets as well, right? So this is the new lines that I am looking at from the chart perspective. If from the trading perspective, I did short the market, but I have taken my profits. I do not have any open positions right now. Probably I may long the market, but as and when I long, I will let you guys know. Now, you may ask why, Soham, you want to long the market right now when the whole world is speaking and shouting about shorting the market. The reason is they're in the charts, guys. For that, what we're going to do is we are going to bring out one of our favorite indicators, that is the RSI, right? So on the RSI, what we will be able to see is a clear pattern. Okay, the RSI will give us a clear pattern. Let me just quickly pull it out. You will be able to see the RSI shows us that we are actually in a we are actually in a basically oversold zone. Okay, let me just pull it out. Just give me one more moment. Let me just pull out the RSI right over here, and yeah, here you can see the RSI is completely oversold, right? What is the level on the RSI right now? It is somewhere close to about 17. Anything below 30 is considered oversold, but this is below 20 as well. So this is extremely oversold. That is why I'm not going to actually short the market right now. Okay, that is the reason I told you that I may look at longing the market. Right now, there is one more reason apart from this as to why the price of Bitcoin actually fell this much yesterday, right? Once it broke this yellow line that we are looking at, let me just first get rid of this RSI. Now that we have discussed about it, let me close the RSI and let me quickly get another chart. That's the volume, the VPVR. Now, on the VPVR, what we can see is right on the top hand side of the screen, right? Let me just show it to you here. There was no volume whatsoever. There was no volume support once we broke below the range of 27,500 roughly, and hence we fell right to the support of about 25,000, 350 or 25,200, around that range. That is where the major support is coming from. Now, why I say that the range of probably $20,000 is on the cards, because if we look at this VPVR itself, it shows the different levels of volume that we had on the price chart, and the most support is on the $20,000, guys. $20,000 is going to play a very crucial role, and that's why this is extremely important for the Bitcoin price to hold. Now, as an analyst or as a trader, what you would be looking for is, if you keep things simple, right? Just keep things very simple. Look at these trend lines. The green line, the importance of the green line is that we are yet to create a lower low. That is a good sign. As well as this blue line that we have, this is the low from March of 2023. If we are able to hold above it, still it's okay, right? Still we have not broken the very key indicators, right? So that's extremely important as well. Now, that's pretty much about the Bitcoin analysis. Now, what I would like to share with you is, guys, if you want me to analyze any particular altcoin, right? I saw a few comments come up for the macro analysis. Macro video would be coming up probably on this weekend. I'll short it from my computer. My computer is yet to get fixed. It is getting fixed actually, so it is taking a little time. Probably tomorrow end of the day I'll have it, and then probably tomorrow or Sunday I'll be able to create the macro video and share with you my thoughts regarding the macro scenario that is playing out right now. Okay, people are saying that SpaceX did dump all of their Bitcoin holdings from 2021 2022, but even if they have done it, they have not done it yesterday, guys, right? Let's be very clear about that. They have done it in the past. So this, as well as there are very interesting situations that are developing in China, we want to discuss that, as well as a few other important factors about some of the investors from the United States that are very bearish on the market, why they are bearish. We'll try to cover that as well. So guys, if you like this video, please smash up the like button. If you can share it with your friends and family, because guys, this is the time when you can make your money. This is the bear market. If you're investing right now, then of course, during the bull market, you can sit back, relax, watch the market, and play it accordingly as well, right? So guys, take very good care of yourselves. Bye bye for now.